Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can install WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install WhatsApp on PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for this. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website, which is where we can download the WhatsApp app, so just go and click it. And after that, you will now be on the website. So to download the WhatsApp app on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download button right here, so just go and click it. And after that, your WhatsApp will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then your WhatsApp installation will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done, congratulations, you will now have your WhatsApp app. So just log in your account and then you will be able to use it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.